Hey everyone, Altcoin Explorer here. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I made over $175 in just 1 hour, without a big audience, without paid ads, and without any upfront investment. And before you think this is another get-rich-quick scheme, let me be real with you. This is not easy and it takes effort. But if you follow this tutorial step by step, you'll have everything you need to start earning online without paying me a single dollar. So if you're ready, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's jump in. Step 1. What most people get wrong about making money online. A lot of people think they can make money online by completing surveys, but let's be honest, getting paid $5 per survey won't change your life. Most of these sites barely pay enough to buy a pizza, let alone replace your 9-to-5 job. Instead, I focus on something better. Building an actual online business that solves a problem. Leveraging AI to work smarter, not harder. And that's exactly what I'll show you right now. Step 2. How to get started with Grow AI, 100% free. The first tool we'll be using is called Grow. It's an AI tool similar to ChatGPT, but even more powerful. And the best part? It's completely free. Here's how to sign up. 1. Go to Google and search for Grow AI. 2. Click on grow.com and tap Try Now. 3. Boom, you're in. Easy, right? Now let's move on to Twitter X, because that's where the real money starts. Step 3. Set up a Twitter X account for free. Since Grow is connected to X, formerly Twitter, you'll need an account. 1. Go to x.com and click Sign Up. 2. Choose Google, Apple, or email to register. 3. Enter your details and skip notifications, optional. By the way, my birthday is October 29th, 2001. Let me know yours in the comments. Step 4. Optional. Earn extra with TapMob. This step is optional, but it's a great way to add extra income. TapMob is a CPA marketing app where you can get paid $6, $8 per email collected. 1. Download TapMob on iOS or Android. 2. Sign up and browse offers. 3. Copy your unique affiliate link and share it. I've personally made over $10,000 with TapMob, and even when I'm not active, I still make money. Passive income, baby. Step 5. How to make money with Audible's affiliate program. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Instead of trying to make money from Twitter monetization, which is really hard right now, we'll use Audible's affiliate program to earn $5 per free sign-up. How this works. 1. Ask Grow to generate a list of popular book niches. 2. Pick a best-selling book from one of those niches. 3. Search for that book on Audible to confirm it's available. 4. Sign up for the Audible affiliate program on Amazon. 5. Copy your unique referral link for the book. 6. Promote it on Twitter X with a book summary thread. Every time someone signs up for a free trial and downloads the book, you get $5. If they buy more books later, you earn additional commissions. And here's the crazy part. Some people on Reddit are making over $80, a month with Amazon Associates. Step 6. How to write a Twitter thread that gets clicks. We need to post valuable content before promoting affiliate links. Here's what to post. General tweets to build an audience in your niche. Book summaries that provide value. Guides, tutorials using YouTube videos, monetized with link shorteners like ShrinkEarn. Affiliate links strategically placed at the end of threads. Example Twitter thread format. Tweet 1, hook, share an interesting fact or insight from the book. Tweet 2, 5, key takeaways from the book. Final tweet, call to action. Get this book for free on Audible plus your affiliate link. Post this, watch your audience grow, and start making commissions. Step 7. Scaling up with paid communities and YouTube automation. Once you have an audience, you can scale up your earnings with paid communities on School. Some people make $100, a month. Faceless YouTube automation. People in my club make $1,000, $4, a month without ever showing their face. Faceless YouTube is the best way to generate passive income. You don't need to show your face, and your videos keep making money long after they're posted. Final thoughts. Don't skip this. Alright, let's wrap this up. This method works, but it's not a magic button. You need effort, consistency, and strategy. If you got value from this, drop a like, comment below, and subscribe for more money-making tutorials. If you want to learn step-by-step YouTube automation, check out my coaching program, link below.